Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is from HelloFresh, and this is a Brussels sprouts pizza, which I feel like you either love Brussels sprouts or you hate them. And if you hate them, I'm pretty sure it's because whenever you ate them, someone who didn't know how to cook made them, because Brussels sprouts are so good. There's so many different recipes for them, and yeah, Brussels sprouts pizza, here we go. So this is how everything comes for HelloFresh. It's all portioned out. You basically only need to wash the produce and chop stuff up. Everything's measured already. So that's what I did first. I chopped up the Brussels sprouts and then I put the ricotta in a bowl, grated my lemon to get some lemon zest in there. Then I also sliced it in half because we are going to be putting the lemon juice in as well. And then when I was done with that, I did add in some Italian seasoning and some olive oil and salt and pepper and lemon juice. I also have my oven preheating at 450 degrees. And what's nice about HelloFresh is all their recipes are online, so even if you don't subscribe, you could go on there and pull a recipe and just buy all the stuff at the store and make it yourself. So I love that. Or if you fall in love, you can recreate it. So I will link the recipe below. But once I mix the ricotta, I just set that aside. I heated up some olive oil, and I'm going to cook the Brussels sprouts. So I added some Italian seasoning and seasoned with salt and pepper. And cooked that for about 5 to 7 minutes. And then when my oven was preheated, I added some olive oil to the flatbreads. And then it said to season those with salt and pepper as well, which I thought was kind of odd. I would not have thought to do that, but I went ahead and followed their instructions and toasted that on the top rack for about 3 to 5 minutes in the oven. Then when it was done, I divided the ricotta mixture between the two flatbreads and then spread that out as even as possible. Then topped with the Brussels sprouts. And once that was equally divided, you can sprinkle the cheese on top. So they gave us both Italian cheese and Parmesan. So I tried to evenly divide that, and then I put it in the oven for 4 to 6 minutes until all the cheese was melted and the flatbread was crispy. And then when it came out, it said to drizzle some of the hot honey, which I had never had before, but it was really good and the flavors went well together. Super delicious. So if you guys would like to try HelloFresh, I will put a promo code below that will save you $40 off your first box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.